Whoa, you have just received a present, your first smartphone. Did you know you can do tons of things with a smartphone? One of the coolest things is that you can go on the internet. The internet is an amazing place to find new friends like you from all over the world. You can play games, listen to music, send text messages, and learn lots of things. But there are rules on the internet that should be followed. Every time you send a message to a friend, it's like delivering the message in person. Everything you write online is the same as a face-to-face conversation. Virtual is real. When you express yourself, remember that the words you use represent you. You are what you communicate. Take great care with everything you share online, like information and photos about you and your friends. If you have any doubts, always ask an adult for help. Share with care. Don't forget that sometimes it's best to turn it off and spend quality time with your friends and family. And always remember to be mindful of how much time you spend using your phone. Ask an adult to help you set up time limits. Be careful when sharing pictures and information online. They can be easily shared by others, and they can remain online for a very long time. Be yourself, especially when you communicate with other people online. The words you use represent you. Put your phone out of your reach when you are studying. It will help you to be more focused. When you enjoy time with your friends and family, there is no need to use the phone, so sometimes it's better to turn it off. Don't you agree? Do you want to find out more about Parole o Stili? Check the link on the video description.